Hi, this is Mike Barak at eMain Enterprises, the CMMS solutions provider. One of the questions I'm often asked is, what are the steps I should take to have a successful implementation? As a senior consultant and project manager providing implementation consultative services for many of our clients, I would like to offer this as an answer to that question. Implementing your CMMS is done in 5 basic steps. First, put in a list of your main assets. Second, put in a list of your technicians. Third, put in your PM schedules. Fourth, put in a list of your parts. And fifth, go back and fill in any remaining assets, contacts, and so on. The first step, putting in a list of the main assets, is pretty straightforward. It doesn't have to be 100% comprehensive. In other words, you don't have to go out and identify every single asset in the site before you put it in. It also doesn't have to have every piece of related information. You don't have to go out and find all of your P&IDs, all of your manuals, everything, and link them to begin with. Just getting a list of the main ones will probably be a good start. Once you have that, you can write work orders against these assets. What that means is you can start capturing this work order information. You'll get your work history on the assets. You can start getting the mean time between failures. You can start capturing downtime and so on. Step 2 is quick and easy. Put in a list of your technicians. With this list of technicians, you can start capturing their labor hours against your assets. That allows you to make assignments. You can start capturing the labor history. You can start getting the mean time to repair and so on. Step 3, putting in your PM schedules, is all about automating the process and saving time. You're going to start getting a better picture of your maintenance activities. You're going to have less opportunity to forget maintenance activities. These things are going to drive your uptime and increase your equipment reliability. This is a process that once you've implemented, you're going to go back to again and again over time, probably over the life of the CMMS, and evaluate your PMs. Have I got the right PMs in place? Am I doing too much, not enough, on what pieces of equipment? So this is going to be the first phase in an ongoing process. Step 4 is putting in your parts. Putting in your parts allows you to capture that part usage. It also helps you maintain a storeroom inventory. You get a better view of the total cost of ownership. You start being able to get to your life cycle costs. It also helps you build bills of materials. You can cut down on stock outages by identifying the fast movers. And you can also minimize storeroom inventory costs by identifying slow movers. Now, putting in your parts is a process that's probably going to continue over the life of the CMMS. The lion's share of it can be done at the beginning, but you can also approach this by just putting in the parts as you go. As you use the part, add it to the system, identify any suppliers, and also identify the equipment on which it goes. This takes a little extra effort at the beginning. It takes a little more time as you're doing it, but it also allows you to begin immediately and start building that parts list over time. Step 5 is about putting in the remaining assets, contacts, and so on. This is an important but easy to overlook step. It's about filling in the blanks. It's about completing that CMMS picture. Your CMMS is an excellent information resource. It's a great place to link manuals, schematics, pictures, P&IDs, things of that nature. Going back and putting in all of the rest of the assets, contacts, extra parts, things like that, is going to put you in good shape for being able to extract useful information from your CMMS. It's the last main step in implementation and sets you up for beginning to build the reports and things that you need to drive business results. As you may know, up to 80% of CMMS implementations fail within the first 12 months. At eMaint, by combining these 5 simple steps with the functional capabilities of our eMaint CMMS system, customers experience success with a 96% resubscription rate. To speak with someone directly, please call us at 856-810-2700 or visit us at www.emaint.com.